Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from M&F FOREX Traders. I'm here with the USD Swiss forecast of about 220 pips on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so for that and more, watch the rest of the video. All right, so before we get started, look at these guys. 66% of you watching our content are not subscribed. Please kindly subscribe. Only 33% of those that watch our channel are actually subscribed. Please do us a favor by hitting the subscribe button, like the videos, comment in the comment section. We believe that we provide valuable content which will help you become a consistently profitable trader in this game. Alright, so back to the video. Alright, so like I always guys, what I always tell you guys, the first thing that you always have to do is find out what's the overall direction of the market. Where is the market going long term? So you can clearly see that on the 4 hour time frame right here, we've had this beautiful downtrend, which is important to note. And once we find that out, what we have to go to is to go to the lower time frame and find our footprints. And just on the 4 hour time frame right here, we can clearly see that we had a rally base drop supply zone. And what is characterized by this rally based drop supply zone is that we have big momentum candles which represent presence of smart money in the market. Okay, at that particular time we have to get involved. So what you have to do is continue to go to the lower time frame until we find our order block, and our order blocks are the footprints of the smart money in the market. This is the proof that the smart money guys were involved, right? So you can clearly see that we had big imbalance candles here, what we call inefficiency candles, which just tells you that above those levels there's going to be an order block which the market is most likely going to come back to, so that the market the smart money guys can take all their unfulfilled orders. So that's very important to note. So we go to the lower time frame, the 30 minutes time frame, and we find our order block right there. We find our order block right here. Remember, the order block is the last bullish candle before the bearish move in the bearish scenario. So when we find our order block right here, meaning we have to wait for other things like this is also what we have right here is a right best drop supply zone. Then we have to look for the liquidity. So right here you can clearly see that we don't really have equal highs. So perhaps this level right here can act as our equal high. And you can clearly see that the market just respected that level right there, which is really significant. So we get that there, and this right here. So remember guys, this is what we call the liquidity area. So this is our liquidity zone, and we always want we always wait for the market to take out the liquidity area. Once the market has taken out the liquidity zone, then we get involved, because we understand that most retail traders will be waiting to sell from that level right there. So we wait for those people to be taken out, and once that has happened, then we'll get involved, of course. And also one thing which is nice, you can see that the market is actually coming to us in form of what? A compression. Okay, so this is what we call a CP. This is very important. So most of the time what happens is that a CP, a compression, is going to be followed up by an impulsive move. So we have to look out for that. Yeah, so what I'm waiting for right now is for the market to push and take out these equal highs right here into my area right here. And once that has happened, then I'll wait for my entry signals from this level right here. This is a clean rally based drop supply zone, which is significant, and I always have to wait for my confirmations in my zone right here before entering into this particular trade, because always remember that at any particular time anything can happen. Regardless of how perfect the setup might look, that too can turn into a loser. So it's important for you to actually wait for your confirmation, wait for all the conflicts that you have to wait for, and then execute a trade. And remember, always have to make sure that you predefine your risk Know exactly the dollar amount, how much are you willing to lose on that particular trade. And guess what? You're supposed to be okay losing that amount. If you're not, then you're going to start panicking and all those things that will lead you to getting on tilt once you lose that particular trade. So it's very, very important that you predefine your risk, know exactly how much you're standing to lose, because that will give you a peace of mind. Okay. Apart from that, if you'd like to trade exactly like I've shown you, if you'd be able like to be able to analyze just like I've shown you, we have what we call our M&F mastery course, which gives you our strategy, risk management, and trading psychology. Very, very in-depth videos, over 30 videos. And other than that, you get to have lifetime mentorship with us. Apart from lifetime mentorship, you get to have lifetime signals with our community in the private community. So check out the first link in the description, gives you access to all that. You guys, until next time, goodbye.